Hi everyone, it's Monica of Greyglamma Kitchen. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making an easy, soft and fluffy strawberry cake. Check the description box for the ingredients. The first thing you have to do is to butter the sides of a 10-inch pan and line the bottom with parchment paper. Then preheat the oven at 170 degrees centigrade. Now you mix 2 eggs and sugar. Beat them together on high speed until they change color, until they become a little bit light in color. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Next we add the yogurt, vegetable oil and vanilla extract. Now you beat them together, this time on low speed. Now we are adding the dry ingredients here, the flour, the baking powder and salt. Add half of the dry ingredients. Mix them together with the blender on low speed until they are well incorporated. Then add the other half of the dry ingredients. Mix together until they are well combined. Now we are going to cut the strawberries. First, you cut some strawberries in half. These ones are for the top, and then you chop some strawberries. You dice them. Those ones are for the inside of the cake. Don't also forget to tell me where you are watching from so that I will send you a special greeting in my next video. Now we are going to pour half of the batter into the pan. Spread very well to cover the bottom of the pan. Now add the diced strawberry. It is already taking a beautiful shape. After that, add the remaining part of the batter on top of the strawberry. Spread very well to cover the whole strawberry, and then you decorate it. Yeah, I call it decoration. Well, even though we are not yet, we have not gotten to that stage. You place the halved strawberry on top. Just this way you are watching now. You spread it to cover the batter, and then you bake at 170 degrees for 50 minutes or until the toothpick you insert into it comes out clean. And bring out the cake and allow it to cool down for 15 to 20 minutes. Now remove the pan and sprinkle some icing sugar on top. This is optional, but it gives it a lovely look and a great taste as well. So I will advise you sprinkle the sugar on top as a decoration as well, and it is ready. The strawberry yogurt cake is ready, soft, moist, no butter and fluffy. Can you see it? Yeah, we are now going to do the taste test. I'm going to cut out a slice, just a little slice, so that you can see the inside of the cake. Can you see it? It's coming out right now. Can you see it? What a fluffy perfection. Having watched to this stage, I invite you once again to like the video, share the video, leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I hope to see you in the next one, and if you try this recipe, let me know how it comes out, okay? To see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and stay hydrated. Bye.